This is Levan. In today's video, I'm going to show you a cool little hack how you can start making some really quick money even if you don't have any. Now, this is a fun way where we're going to find items that are not going to cost you anything, and then we're going to be able to resell them. And the reason this hack is going to work is because most people just don't like selling things online. They'll have some items, whether it's maybe an older phone, maybe it's an older controller, maybe it's a couch, maybe it's something else, but they just want to get rid of it even though these items have value. Now, we're going to jump into my computer and show you how we can find some items that we're going to be able to sell, and I'm going to show you the best place to resell these items and how you can start listing them and make quick money. So the strategy here is we first need to go to a site called Craigslist. You go to Craigslist.org and you're going to want to search. And once you're on this site, you can log into your account, but we're going to want to type in free right here. And what's going to happen is a bunch of items are going to show up that are for free, or we're going to scroll down here and we can go to the for sale section. And there's an actual part right here under farm and garden that says free. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for some items. All these items, people are just trying to, get rid of them. If you own a truck or can get a truck, even better. This allows this hack to work a lot better because if the item's heavier, it'll have more value. It's just people don't want to get rid of it, So here we're going to see, let's see what we can find for value. This guy's trying to get rid of a free couch. Wow, free bathroom vanity. This is pretty nice. These sell really easy. People need them and they're not that heavy. You can actually even put this in your SUV, no problem. 2 side doors. And if we even go to here, you can see what the average bathroom vanity, if someone is, trying to buy one. Over here, these are a little bit bigger. Let's just say one like this. This one's all the way to almost $738, and these people are just kind of giving away for free. This one's not as nice, but even if you can get like 150 bucks on this one item, we're getting it for free. So that's a good item to choose. Some other cool items are like these authentic time clocks. People love these for decoration. I mean, you go to like Home Goods, CJ Maxx, or even Macy's. These things are selling for like 80 to 100 bucks. Maybe you get lucky and find one for 50. Small item, you probably pop it up on the site. I'm gonna show how we're gonna list and sell it. You probably sell this easily for 10, 15 bucks like that. That's money in your pocket, and that's easy to carry. We'll go down. Washing machines and dryers are great because a lot of them can be broken, and you can literally fix it with probably a $10 or $20 part, and then become that item becomes about $200 to $300. You go on YouTube, you can search how to fix a dryer. Dryers are better than washing machines as long as it's not the main clock on a dryer. I had to fix this one dryer and the part only cost me 20 bucks plus watching a YouTube video, and I was able to do it within 20 minutes, and the dryer was brand new. So that's a good item to look for. Here you got free routers and extenders. That's kind of old tech. Unless you find a newer one, I'd probably stay away with it. It's a little bit harder to get rid of. These are great. Finding bikes. People always need bikes. They're easy to pick up. They're willing to give this away for free. So the place we're going to list it, if I'll show you in a second, you can probably list this bike for 40, 50 bucks all day. And I'll even show you a couple hacks. I even have a video down below that shows you how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace using these hacks. And you can put this bike on and you'll easily get anywhere from 40, 60 bucks. Here's a K&N filter, brand new. I believe those cost new like 20, 30 bucks if I'm correct. We go down there. Easy items, those sell. Here's a large Brickman. Mowers are great too because a lot of them, they'll say like something's wrong with the engine, and since most are small engines, they're easy fixes. You could probably get them serviced for like 20, 30 bucks. And then the mower could be worth up to 100 to 200 depending on the brand. These are some good items to give you guys some more ideas. Let's see what else they have on here. Look, they have beds. Grills I'd probably stay away from. They have couches. Couches aren't bad. You just need a truck, and also you need to make sure the condition's good enough because you could take this leather couch and then reupholster it, and then it becomes, free to almost $500, $600. So it depends how much it costs to reupholster, if that is worth it. We'll go down here. Let's see. Sometimes I even see like pool tables. Pool tables are great because they're really heavy. Like this guy, he's getting rid of a free pool table. That is insane. If you have any idea of what like pool tables cost, and it's probably because it's really heavy and the guy doesn't want to do it. You get some of your buddies come with you. Look, they go anywhere from like $3,000 to $1,400 to $8,000. Maybe a cheaper one's like $670 depending on the quality. This one looks decent. He even has some other items. Like he's got this table you can put. It's very modern looking. But just this pool table on its own, if you get a couple guys and you put it on a site, you're going to be able to make money. So this is how you're going to find free items. All right. So we're going to find some free items. We're going to go get in our truck, get in our SUV, get in our car, maybe have a buddy help us. We're going to load it up, and then we need to sell it. Since we got it for free, where we're going to need to go is our good old friend Facebook, okay? Facebook, I like selling better than on Craigslist because you can see who you're talking to. You can market to the person directly. You can kind of text. You don't have to go through their phone numbers. So once we get here on Facebook, we're going to load up here. It's been a little slow on me. We're going to go to Marketplace, and you're going to see a bunch of other items here too. You can even go here if you wanted to and look, maybe some free items that you might be able to find. There's an old gym pack free, a lazy boy couch. So you can probably find some free items here. This is great. This guy's selling this machine. I guess he's fixing machines for $50. But you can find free items here. But what you're going to do is we're going to want to take that free item that we got on Craigslist, and we're going to want to post it. So I do have some postings, but all you need to do is create this new listing. You can sell cars. You can do items for sale. You can even rent your home, or maybe if you're looking for a job. But all you're going to do is click the item. You're going to have some nice, awesome pictures of your pool table. I'll show you some examples of some items that I'm personally selling that I've got. You're going to take your picture. It's going to show everything. You're going to put your title, the price. I do have a hack of how you can get even more action with the video down below on how to sell items for free on Facebook. And once you list it, you're going to see the type of demand. So we're going to go to some of my items. So we'll go to my account, and I have this bronze statue that I was listing. You see some of the hacks, even though I put 0. There's a reason for that. You got to watch my video to check that out. But I've had over 781 views just on this. I have an iPhone that I'm selling. I have Sony headphones. I have a couple radar guns for golf. And look, the amount of people that get and watch this, it's insane. 219 views. I have some cars that are for sale. This one has over 1,000 views. And you're just going to go on Facebook and sell your item. You're going to text them. They're going to want to message you. You can meet up, I suggest, depending on the item. You can vet them, check their profile, check their Facebook profile. You're going to want to, maybe meet up with you, or if they're going to come to your house, maybe for the pool table, since it's really heavy. If they're willing to move it, you can make some money off of that. So guys, I hope you like this little trick on how you can make some quick money. It's a nice little hustle. It's not going to cost you anything except a little bit of time, but if you take the effort to find some free items, post them on Facebook, you'll be amazed how you're going to start earning, a couple hundred, 300, 400. Maybe you find that one wow item for the month. You can even earn over $1,000 just doing this simple side hustle. Now, if you do want to learn some other ways how you guys can actually build your online business using sales funnels and landing page, I'll be creating a whole new series showing you guys exactly how to do that. And don't forget to subscribe down below, support my channel so I can keep making awesome videos like this for you guys. So don't forget to sub. And if you want to have good luck, make sure you do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, till the next video, guys. I'm Levan. Peace.